stocks that I'll be watching for tomorrow. First of all, a bunch of steel stocks. First of all is X. Um, let's take a look. So X had a had a nice run up, right? All the way from here, some 17, some minor pullbacks. Um, so we had a pullback again, 3 days down, sideways motion. So I'll try to see some kind of strength um, over the day's high, of today's high, which is about 36.85. So give or take, let's say about $37. Right. So I'll see the movement of the stock somewhere around $37 and see how it actually reacts. Let's put this thing on here. So somewhere around $37. I mean, we still have some decent volume which came in. The only bad thing is it's going to be a third day up, so I'm not. It might be a quick hit. It's not going to be for a swing position. The other one is another steel stock, Steel Dynamics (STLD). Similar setups across the board. So nice. This is actually the first pullback to the 20-day moving average, and we got a bounce. So if we were to look at between the X and STLD, I would say STLD would be a bigger preference for me, somewhere around over the $38 level. Look for a push up towards 39s something. Best would be for it to go red and then it go green, right? If it gets bought up, then it would be a good chance. If it starts gapping up and starts going, we'll have to see how we evaluate that kind of situation. Few of the names I'm looking at would be ANTM, one biotech name, which actually broke out today. Actually had a good close. So something that I'll be watching pretty closely. Let's show you this chart. So ANTM went from 115 to 140, had a minor pullback of about $5. Then has been on a steady grind up, right? Um, Broke out on these new highs. So it's been consolidating somewhere around between 142 and about 147, between the $5 range. Okay, so today it actually broke through 147, so I'll try to see how I'm gonna play this stock. It looks good on the daily. Tap 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 on 147s. Today actually closed on 147. Chances are it might actually gap higher tomorrow. Who knows? But I'll try to see if we can dip and then possibly a buy on ANTM. If you're looking for a swing name, one of the names that I have for a swing for the next couple of days would be AKAM, Akamai Technologies. After a big push up, um, this is the first time we actually closed over 68, which is pretty important. I mean, if you see multiple times it tried to go over 68 but couldn't, first time close over 68. I wouldn't be surprised if it makes a quick push towards 70. Uh, so best case scenario, it pushes towards 70, then consolidate under 70, and then it goes over 70 in the next coming days. That should be quick. Definitely not for tomorrow though. Uh, Next one is DE. Same thought process. Um, so just a whole bunch of green days everywhere, right? I mean, between 100 and 105 is consolidating. Best case scenario goes to 105. Does some consolidation to 105, then breaks through, or it breaks to 105, pulls back to 105, and then it goes. So that's AKAM, DE, and let's talk about BURL. One other name that I'll be looking for in the next coming days. Another one big push, sideways consolidation to 90. Not for tomorrow though. We'll keep an eye on it if you are looking for swing opportunities. Then there's PH. PH is actually a pretty good stock. I mean, it has done a consolidation right under this $145 level, right? I mean, had a big push on 120 to 140, $20 run. $5 pullback, another $10 run, another $5 pullback. So over 145 would be. I'll keep an eye on this one pretty close tomorrow to see how it actually reacts. And last but not the least, Hershey is the one which popped up. Broke out of the most recent resistance lines, but not a lot of confidence in it. Keep an eye on it. I mean, for some follow through for tomorrow. Not the brightest of the stock, but you know what? It just broke over this 102 level after it tapped for a few days. So might have $1, $2 out of it. The ATR on it is about 1.6, so about 1.5 point. Will most likely be a day trade on it. And that's it for the day, guys. Any questions, hit me up on Twitter or StockTwits, or send me a quick email at swatchlist@gmail.com.